Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Emergency SOS on your iPhone. So first up, there are two ways in which to do this. First way is go to Settings and scroll down to Health. Once on Health, click on Medical ID. The second way in which to do this is to find the Health app, which is already installed on your iPhone. Click on that, then click on your account icon in the top right hand corner and scroll down and click on Medical ID. Once you've clicked on Medical ID, just click on Edit in the top right hand corner, and it's here you can enter all your information you need, going down one by one. All this information I'm going to put in here, I'm sure you'll appreciate. I'll just make up as I go along. So I will start with my date of birth. So let's put the 1st of May 1990, which will make me 32. I wish. Next up, I think I'll go to allergies and reactions. I'll just skip medical conditions and medical notes for the purposes of this video, but you can enter whatever is necessary. In allergens, I will put pollen. Next up is any medications you might be taking. This obviously could be quite important if it was a genuine emergency, but in this video I shall just put paracetamol. The remaining things on the list are your blood type, if you know it, enter that in. Whether you'd like to be an organ donor, then you can also add your weight, height, and your primary language. The next thing you need to do, and probably the most important I'd argue, is add your emergency contacts, whether this be your partner or wife, your mother, whoever you deem necessary to contact in emergency. Once you've selected an emergency contact, the next thing to do is select the relationship to you, and then you will see them appear in your emergency contacts, and that is how they will appear if anyone else needs to see that information if they need to use your phone in an emergency. The last thing to do is go to emergency access, show when locked, and toggle this on. Now you will see when you try to turn your phone off or do an emergency SOS, you'll see the medical ID with all the information you've just entered, including your emergency contacts. Here someone can click straight on your emergency contact and call them if needed without you having to unlock your phone with Face ID or your password. Right, well this concludes our emergency SOS iPhone tutorial. I do hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please do drop a like and subscribe below, and drop by the channel to tune into the other videos we have. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.